Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, hit that subscribe button down below, click the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, I got back from church like a few minutes ago or something. Yeah, this is how I comb my hair to go to church because the hairstyle, it kind of pull up, so I have to be finding ways to make it actually look kind of cute. The edges, it kind of look better than this, but oh well. In today's video, I don't even know what's gonna go on, but welcome to the vlog. So yeah, right now I am in the kitchen cooking. My fried chicken. Then I'm gonna make some pasta with some mixed vegetables. So it's a vegetable salad. So yeah, that's what is gonna be going down. Later on today I should have some schoolwork to do because I might be going to school tomorrow, so I have to do whichever work I would be doing tomorrow morning. I have to do it like from today, or yeah, because yeah, I assist in like the exams office at the school, so I'm gonna assist tomorrow morning about 9 to 12, and then I'm gonna come back home and hopefully I can get some work done. I have some housework to do, like some cleaning and such, that I want to start. Like, you know, alright, in Jamaica, right, what we do normally is like we have, well, for my house we have two main times that we do the extra clean, you know, take down everything, wipe down everything, the windows. That we do in my house at Christmas time and in the summer. So it's almost Christmas time, so we need to start our cleaning, so we want to do that before December starts. However, I might not include it in vlogs coming, except I might put it in like one of those vlogmas videos, just like inserting me cleaning, because it is a part of my Christmas cleaning. It's just that I don't want to wait until Christmas. I don't want to wait until December starts because I don't want to have that much to do. So yeah, it is Saturday. We're just starting off today's vlog. What do I have planned for today? Nothing at all, but we're just going to start the vlog, you know. Should I probably go over there, so but before that pig, but the pig get away and that is putting the pig back in. Mother, hi, what's up?
Ceiling.
You know, you have a lot of fans on my YouTube. They love you. Comment down below if she should start a channel, because she do a lot of crocheting and a lot of art stuff. So comment down below, guys, if you would subscribe to her, and I'll let her start it. I'll force her. Hey guys, so I know I've been like very bad at vlogging, but I've been so busy. Yesterday I was trying to get some schoolwork done. Today I'm trying to get some schoolwork done. I kind of paused because I'm gonna have some food. I'm gonna eat something, so I just mixed some lasco. I'm gonna put my straw in and drink some of that. Yeah, Kawan, come. So I'm gonna have some, you know, all of these milky, I don't know why I drink so much milk, but anyways, I have half of a chocolate biscuit that my mom started. I'm gonna finish it plus the last go. So yeah, yeah, so that's what's going on for today. We got sister here, I'm here, mom and dad is at home. Okay, mom and dad is at church actually. Miss, yeah, drop crumbs from my bed.
Can't get too much in it. Where you game?
I want to show her mother how terrible she is. How terrible you are. You. Bye. Bye. Good morning, guys. So today is Tuesday and it's the next day. Yeah, no, I look horrible, but I don't have any. Well, I'm not teaching my class today, so I decided not to get up and get ready. Just got up and wash my face and sit in front of my computer because I have a lot of work to do, but seems to never have enough time to do it. And then my head are killing me. And sister's here, and then my head is killing me. That's the next issue, and I don't know why. I'm feeling it's my migraine, so for a while I might go off cheese and all my lovely dairy stuff. This is gonna be difficult. I'm gonna have to eat like vegan cheese or something, and like I'm gonna try out some different milks that me alone probably have to eat drink because I can't make them done my milk. So probably like almond milk. Let me know down in the comments down below, guys, which is the best non-dairy milk that you guys know of, because I think people say almond milk is good, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to try that because my migraine, I think it's my migraine, it's not doing me well at all. Woke up with a terrible headache, still having it, and yeah. But anyways, guys, right now I'm waiting to go into a class. I'm just giving the teacher some time. I don't want to barge into the PPM class just like that. So finally finished one of my work yesterday, and because I'm assisting like in like 6 angles things is in the office that y'all go and all of that. I assist in one of those offices. I had one of those work to do. I finally finished it yesterday. Plus I have lesson plan to do, plus other school related stuff. Guys, I don't know if it's me alone. It come like when a year I done at that time will I work home. Shani, tell me, does it happen to you? See, she'll shake her head. I don't know when the year is finishing or when it's near to holiday time. At that time will I work reach. I don't know. Hi guys, what is up? Why is Shani looking at me? Shouldn't have no behavior, people, none. Anyways, today's Wednesday. What do we have planned for today? Class. Hopefully I can wash today. Should be going to buy something today. Plus, what else may I have planned for today? I wanted to film a video of a collab I'm going to be doing. I don't know. Yes, I don't know. Depends on this class at all, depends on it. So the first time when we just moved up here like 10 or so years ago, this breeze was blowing in the Christmas time. I mean the breeze is all blow cold don't mind that one, people. Start there something there, and I don't know, it's too gone. Anyways, so in that time, breeze normally blow cold till all one time one of my classmates did up here, and the breeze blew off the wall. That's how breeze usually blow. So I don't know if that's what's coming back now, because outside door it sound nice. It sounds like a hurricane though, but it sounds nice and it feels nice. So yeah. Hi guys, what is up? So right now I am gonna be buying a mattress pretty much for my bed. So basically the mattress I have on my bed, I think I mentioned it before, but it's not the best, so I'm gonna buy a mattress today. So hopefully this mattress would actually last me for a while, if it's at least until I move or something. I don't know. Yeah. Guys, I finally got my mattress. I'm gonna take this one off because this is a sponge, guys. This is a sponge, so let's get rid of it and put this on before my meeting, which is at 2:30. It's not like 2:15, so I have 15 minutes to do this and get ready for meeting. Guys, I have a mattress. I am so excited about this right now. It's not even funny. It feels great. So they only had this spring one. They didn't have any of the other one. So yeah. Hi guys. Alright, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I think I have enough footage to show you guys. So yes, I got a new bed. Well, not bed, a new mattress, and I'm pretty happy about it. Seems fine so far. I'll let you guys know how it's working out. Right now I'm actually washing. It's like after 4 and I'm washing, so I'm about to hang up my clothes. Anyways, I'm about to hang up my clothes and, you know, just do some more work because I have been pretty busy. I know I haven't been vlogging, guys, but it seems, as I said, it seems as if, you know, this time of the year is normally my most busy because I do CXC, and this is the time when we do registration and collecting information and all of that. So I had that to do, and I don't know, plus housework, and I'm not really start nothing much yet, and plus I haven't been feeling well, so I think my migraine is giving me an issue. I don't have migraine pills, but I do have migraine. I didn't buy the pills, so sometimes like the migraine will come upon me. But for the past few days I've been waking up with headaches, so I don't know what to do. I'm just trying to cut out cheese for now and see how that works. See if it can be better, because I eat a lot of cheese and I drink a lot of milk. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a big thumbs up, comment something down below, and share with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will hopefully be soon. Bye.